In a small town nestled among the lush green hills of the countryside, there lived a girl named Luna. She was known throughout the town for her kind heart and her love for helping others. Luna's smile could light up the darkest room, and her laughter spread joy to everyone around her. Luna lived with her parents in a cozy little house on the outskirts of town. Her parents were kind-hearted people who always taught her from a young age that helping others was very important. They often participated in local charity activities, and Luna would often go with them to visit the elderly and the sick. One day, a violent storm swept through the town, leaving many families without food or shelter. Luna was heartbroken to see the plight of those in need, and she quickly came up with a plan to help them. She gathered her friends together, and together they organized a food drive and set up temporary shelters for the affected families. When the storm passed, the villagers came together to rebuild and restore their lives. Luna's kindness and selflessness inspired a widespread wave of generosity and compassion throughout the town. Strangers became friends, and neighbors became like family. Luna's parents were very proud of what she had done and encouraged her to continue helping others. They told her that her kindness was a gift, and she should use it to make the world a better place. Luna took her parents' words to heart, and she continued to help those in need. She started a charity that provided food and shelter for the homeless. She also frequently visited the local hospital to read to patients, bringing them joy. As the years passed, Luna's charity grew. She became known throughout the town as someone who was always willing to help. Many people from all over came to her for advice and assistance. One day, a boy named Mindo came to Luna's charity. He was homeless and had no family to care for him. Luna took Mindo into her organization, providing him with food and shelter. She also helped him get an education and encouraged him to pursue his dreams. Mindo was very grateful to Luna, and he promised to repay her one day. He worked hard and eventually became a successful businessman. He never forgot Luna's kindness and always made sure to give back to the community. The story of Luna and the Golden Heart teaches us that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a profound impact on those around us. By spreading love, compassion, and generosity, we can create a ripple effect of goodness that can change the world. Luna's legacy lives on, and her charity continues to help those in need. She remains humble and kind, always willing to lend a helping hand. Mindo never forgets the kindness that Luna showed him, and he continues to give back to the community. Luna's story became a beacon of hope for the entire town, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and the importance of helping others. Her golden heart touched the lives of many, inspiring them to follow in her footsteps and make the world a better place.
Thank you so much.